In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in Hubspot. This will be a vital skill to enhance your marketing campaigns and streamline your customer interactions. So, let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently set up automated emails that will work seamlessly within your Hubspot workflows. To begin, you'll need to open Hubspot on your computer or device. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. The first place you want to head to is the Hubspot Trial Guide. You can think of this as your central hub for all the resources and tools required to kick off any form-building process. This guide is an excellent starting point to familiarize yourself with Hubspot's range of capabilities, and it can be a lifesaver when you need a bit of guidance or inspiration. Once you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find the Marketing tab. Go ahead and click on that. The Marketing tab is your gateway to all things marketing related within Hubspot, and it's here that you can access your email tools, whether you're creating new campaigns or analyzing existing ones. After opening the Marketing tab, you'll want to select the Email option. This section of Hubspot is dedicated to email creation and management. Here you can design, edit, and monitor all of your email communications. Click on the Email option to proceed. Next, you will see an option to create email. Click on this and you'll be prompted with different types of email setups. For our purpose today, we want to select the Automated Email option. Automated emails are powerful marketing tools that allow you to engage with your audience without the need for constant manual intervention. By setting these up, you ensure that your customers receive timely and relevant communications based on their interactions with your brand. Once you have selected Automated, you'll follow a series of prompts to customize your email. This is where you can get creative and tailor your email to reflect your brand and the specific message you want to convey. Remember to consider your audience at every step. What do they need from you, and how can your email serve them best? As you work your way through this process, don't forget to review and test your email to make sure everything is functioning correctly before integrating it into your workflow. And just like that, you've set up an automated email in Hubspot. With this new skill, you can create more dynamic, responsive, and personalized marketing campaigns. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're excited to incorporate automated emails into your strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.